You guys, these Copycat bacon and Gruyere egg bites are going to change your brunch game. Watch me make them right here, right now. We're gonna start with a few wide mouth half-pint canning jars in a baking pan. Coat each jar with nonstick spray and add a little bit of shredded Gruyere to the bottom. In the blender, we're gonna add a bunch of eggs, some cottage cheese for richness, some shredded Monterey Jack cheese, little salt and pepper, the rest of our Gruyere, and then we're gonna blend it until it's super smooth. Divide your egg mixture between your jars, top with a little bacon. We wanna bake these with a water bath, so we're gonna add some warm water on the outside of the jars in the pan, about halfway up the sides. Once they're done baking, let them cool just a little bit. Top with some herbs or some hot sauce and enjoy. These egg bites are the perfect balance of cheesy and eggy. The whole recipe makes 6, but if you can't share all 6, you can wrap them up, keep them in the fridge for up to 3 days, and all you have to do is pop them in the microwave and you have a nice hot egg bite in the morning. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you all next time.